In this episode, we will focus on AniShort's multi-user online collaboration capabilities and tiered collaboration production for long scripts. This is a specialized feature tailor-made for short drama teams, significantly boosting production efficiency. Script episode splitting is designed to handle long-form scripts, while Canvas task division is for multi-person collaborative creation and project resource management. Taking this 10-episode script as an example, first, split the script into 10 individual episodes with a single click. At the same time, rename the Canvas 2 script. Then create a new canvas and name it Subject Settings. Copy the full script over to perform subject extraction and generate setting images. For the specific steps of this part, please refer to the detailed explanation of Subject Library course. After generating the settings, remember to add them to the subject library so other members can use them. Once these preparations are complete, we can begin the tiered production process. Continue by creating a new canvas titled Episode 1 and copy the script for the first episode into it. Import the characters involved in Episode 1, then proceed with storyboard generation, video generation, and other production tasks. You can also invite team members to work together. Collaborators can create their own assigned canvases so they don't interfere with one another. For instance, here a collaborator has created a canvas for Episode 2. At the same time, they enter the script canvas. By copying the script for Episode 2, they can synchronously handle subject extraction, storyboard creation, and video generation for that episode on their own canvas. Similarly, more people can join to simultaneously work on episodes 3 through 10.